Okay, not a very tough question and nothing about squash. But she's warned me to ask her only about squash, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, what is in your small little way that you contribute to the environment?
I think when we travel, we carry a lot of plastic bags as such, but I make it a point not to carry because, you have a lot of bags, you carry earrings and bandanas and wristbands, so I just put it in a Nike bag, which they always give us, so
right.
yeah. A little bit way, but...
Okay, and a few words about Inbox 1305?
I think it's one of the few magazines which Chennai has launched, and I think it's great, and, I wish I could be in the cover page. It's a hint.
Tell me, Kritika, are you hearing? All right, thank you so much.